Research shows that almost 70% of the next generation will have some type of entrepreneurial activity in their careers. Join our program, the Entrepreneur Mindset, and your child will learn the basics and be on their way to becoming an entrepreneur. We'll help them develop a big idea or invention or business idea. They will research it, they'll test it out with their friends in a positive peer program, build prototypes, and ultimately present it in front of potential investors, all in a really fun way. We use our pod methodology of play, others meaning a positive social environment, and every class has downtime teaching resilience tools on how to manage the anxiety and ups and downs of the entrepreneurial world. At the end of this program, your child will gain confidence, they'll have fun, and they'll certainly develop those entrepreneurial skills.